Welcome to BikeZone Pro. The Maruti Suzuki Omni has been an iconic van in India, loved for its simplicity, practicality, and affordability. After years of absence, Maruti is bringing back this classic in a modern avatar. Today, on BikeZone Pro, we take a closer look at the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni, its features, performance, and what makes it special. Design and exterior. The new Omni stays true to its boxy, compact design but with a fresh, contemporary touch. The front end features a sleek grille, modern LED headlights, and a slightly curved bonnet for better aerodynamics. The van retains its signature sliding doors, making passenger entry and exit effortless. With improved body lines and a sturdy frame, the 2025 Omni blends nostalgia with modern aesthetics. Interior and comfort. Step inside, and you'll notice a big upgrade. The dashboard now features a touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. The seats are well padded, and Maruti has enhanced cabin space for a more comfortable ride. The Omni remains a practical choice for families and businesses, offering flexible seating and ample cargo space. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Omni gets a fuel-efficient 1.0L petrol engine with hybrid technology, delivering better mileage and lower emissions. It comes with both manual and automatic transmission options, making it more versatile for urban and rural use. Maruti has also focused on safety, equipping the van with dual airbags, ABS, and reinforced body structure. Price and availability. Maruti Suzuki is expected to price the new Omni competitively, making it one of the most affordable utility vans in the market. While official launch dates are yet to be confirmed, reports suggest it will hit showrooms by mid-2025. Conclusion. The return of the Maruti Suzuki Omni is exciting for those who cherished its practicality and reliability. With modern features, improved safety, and better performance, the 2025 Omni is set to make a strong comeback. Would you consider buying it? Let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned to BikeZone Pro for more updates on the latest vehicles.